Hi there. In this event, you are going to create a mini assessment using 4 different types of Schoology questions. So if you've never made an assessment before, you're going to start with adding materials, add assessment. It's going to ask you to name the assessment. If there's a due date, if you want them to be able to submit, you're going to want to make sure this is enabled. You don't have to put a password if you don't want to. You must give it a category and then create. It's going to bring you straight to the setup page. So this is where you can go in and you can decide if you want the assessment to have a time limit, what types of tools may they be able to use, can they flag questions for review, can they use a calculator, ruler, how many attempts they can take, etc. You can go in and choose the settings you would like. Once you've done that, you're going to come over to questions. The question types are on the side, and you are just going to click on the question type you want to add. I'm going to go back to one I've already started. It's called Assessment Example. And I'm going to go back to questions. And here are the questions I've already added. As you can see, it will tell you right underneath what type of question it is. You can add different types of questions to the same assessment. So for the first one, I have an audio question. Reflect and record how you are progressing with your goal. So students will just go in, record the audio, and then I will be able to hear it from the teacher side. I did a highlight image. So in this, students are going to graph. And if you preview the question, I uploaded a picture. They're going to graph y equals 2x minus 6. And then they will submit that. And here's where they can change the colors and all that good stuff. My next question is label the parts of a plant. So I uploaded a picture of a plant, put the options in, and students will be able to drag and drop the different parts. I also added a matching question. What I did here was I read some words aloud and asked students to match them with the correct written word. So for example, all of these are recordings of me saying a word and asking them to match it with the appropriate written word. Which word rhymes with cat? Cat. The cat ran across the street. Students will have to take the word that rhymes with cat, drag it, and drop it into the appropriate box. And since I set it up as a matching, it will go ahead and grade it for me and give me the results because I put the answer key below. And then last I did, multiple choice. I wanted to show you how you can import an image with your questions. You can also do images for your answers if that's something you want to do. And then again, I put the correct answer in, so it will automatically be graded for me. So once you've created your 4-question assessment, you're going to take a screenshot. If you don't know how to take a screenshot, please see the support resources within the Schoology course. As you'll see, my questions don't all show on the same page. What you can do is hold the control key down and then hit the minus key at the same time. And that will minimize your screen so you can see all your questions. You only need 4. I made 5 as an example. So what you're going to do is you can make sure you can see them all, and then you're going to take your screenshot of those 4 that you made. I'm going to use the snipping tool. New. And then I'm just going to take a screenshot of those questions, save it to my desktop, and upload it to this assignment. If you're not sure how to upload to assignment or take screenshots, those are also in the support resources. Have fun. I hope you find some new assessment tools that you may find useful with your students. Have a good one. Thanks.